He said, please, Daddy, come save me.
Alberto. Alberto.
It's white on his face.
Wake up.
He is
1, 2, 3.
He is
out.
done.
out for the count,
He
Alberto.
is out. I see that his eyes like cracked open for a minute, like earlier, but then he was out.
At least he fell asleep early. Right? He's not drinking till 2, 3 in the morning. That'd be the worst. What is that? Kung Fu
That was a ninja move.
Yeah. Listen, what was that?
He was out. He was out.
Come on. Come on, big boy. Go sleep in the car. You're fine. You just try to Kung Fu my brother. You woke up, you woke up like this. Say hey to the camera. We're sending that to Mexico and Puerto Rico.
Go ahead and send that. I know. Oh my gosh, you just whatever.